Hello viewers, Flipkart Sasa Sale is running on flipkart.com and also summer sale is running on amazon.in. So if you are planning to buy any laptop in this season, then I will tell you about HP laptop. Currently the price of laptop is on the higher side. I bought this laptop at around 62,000 rupees after bargaining from physical store, but you can buy online from amazon.in, and if you have HDFC credit card, in that case you can get good discounts on this laptop. It has 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. If you try to open the hinge, you cannot do so because it is not as smooth as MacBook. This is a very heavy laptop, so you will feel the weight while carrying it around. As this is an SSD storage, you will feel that it is very fast while booting up the device. It will quickly boot up and give you a very good experience using this laptop. I will tell you about the good things and the bad things, and also about the screen quality. The processor inside is Intel Core i5. Here is the sticker of the service center number. If you look straight, you can see that the screen quality is excellent. It is an IPS display, but if you tilt the device, you will see that there are some black images and distortion in the color, and also the reproduction of the display is not so good from any angle. So you have to use the device or laptop from straight on. Otherwise, there will be visibility problem from angle, say 45 to 60 degree angle. The keyboards are backlit, so you can use it in dark environment. I played some HDR footages on this laptop, and you can see that the quality of the display is excellent. However, it is not comparable to MacBook display, but you can enjoy your multimedia contents on this laptop. And also the speaker is good enough to give you very good sound quality. If you want to know about the battery life on a single charge, you can expect a battery life of 4 hours plus on a single charge. The hinge mechanism is not so good. You cannot open this laptop from one hand. You have to use your second hand to open this laptop. If I talk about the ports, you can see that these 3 ports are available towards the left, and towards the right there are 2 ports. So I think enough ports have been given. And if you talk about the speakers, at the bottom you will get speakers. There are 3 speakers actually to give you a very good sound quality. I will put a link in the descriptions below to give you the best buy link. If you want to buy this laptop, you can definitely buy it at around 62,000 rupees. But if your budget is higher, in that case I will suggest you to buy MacBook Air M5 at 92,000 plus. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.